we're going to talk about brain and the brain cells and how they work in your body. Now, before that, I want to do a little experiment with all of you guys. For 15 seconds, I want everyone to hold their breaths and really try to hold their breath. So,
ready? 1, 2, 3.
As you guys can tell, it is really difficult to hold your breath for a certain amount of time. That is because your brain cells need oxygen to reproduce and function properly. Now, some people, in some cases, may experience brain damage after 5 minutes. 5 minutes seems like a really long time, and it is a really long time for your brain cells to not get a decent amount of oxygen supply. Now, me and my researchers at our lab were looking at some cases in which some people did not receive enough oxygen but did not get any brain damage. Our main question was, how is that possible? How can one stay for underwater or not breathe for that amount of time and not have brain damage? That's a really important question that us researchers want to find. Now, we were also examining one case where a little boy was stuck underwater. It was really cold water, and for about 45 minutes in 1987. And when the scientists took him and did research on him, he did not have any brain damage. So 45 minutes underwater, and the little boy's core temperature went down to 77 degrees. And as we know, our body temperatures range up to 98 degrees to about 99 degrees. That's a normal temperature. So 77 degrees is really cold, and your brain cells and your muscle cells need heat to produce cellular respiration along with oxygen. So what is brain damage? Well, you can call it hypoxic brain damage. So that is when your brain cells do not get a decent amount of oxygen supply and cannot function and therefore die. Some symptoms of hypoxic brain damage would be dizziness, lightheaded, a loss of vision. So if we were to hold our breaths for about 5 minutes, you guys would probably pass out, and then I would be responsible for your death. So that's why 15 seconds I think was appropriate. So I think that is the main point, and I want everyone to know that breathing is the most essential thing in life, and that your body cells and your brain need oxygen to really function properly and work really well. So everyone breathe. Breathing is awesome, and that is my presentation for today. Tom, my assistant, was really helpful, and there it is.